Hey you guys, so I know it has been forever ago since I put part 2 up for the earrings that we were making. I have not felt good for the last week, probably last 2 weeks. So I'm finally starting to feel, I would say I feel at about 70%. So super excited to be finishing up the earrings, which I plan to do this weekend. And also, what else am I doing? We are finishing up our labels and logo for our new hair care line, and I pray that you all have an incredible weekend. Not that you were looking for me, I just wanted to say I didn't forget to upload part 2 of the hot glue gun jewelry video, because they're going to be so cute. This was with the patchwork quilt earrings, so we're going to, well, faux patchwork, so we're going to get that finished up and upload it this weekend. And I know I owe a couple of you a phone call. Let's aim for this coming week. I'll be at 100% soon. Believe in God. Love you guys. Hey you guys, so I dragged my husband to the Dollar Tree. I said, honey, please drive me to the store. I didn't feel like it. Look at all the stuff they have. They have cutting boards, which are super cute. They also have these little shaker stickers, which I thought were adorable. I didn't buy those. I was like, what would I do with that? But they're really cute. They're just stickers that stick on things that have little shakies in them. Here I'm just looking to see what's down there on the bottom. So many stickers to choose from. I literally went here to get some. Those go on glasses. I was surprised. So those are like things that you can put on glasses and glass frames. Look at the super cute rhinestone stickers. I didn't buy those, but I surely wanted them. Those translucent flowers I thought were beautiful. You could make different home decor and things with that. They had all kinds of yarn. You guys already know this, but their yarn selection has gotten huge. Remember, it just used to be a little bend down on the bottom before. Here I am. I was just walking down the aisle to see what else they had. Those are really pretty note cards. I do tend to send out note cards to my real estate clients, but this is what I was looking for with the full flowers. I did not get sucked in by the butterflies, but I almost wanted to, and I almost did. But there's so many stickers to choose from. It was hard. But down here, there were more and more stickers. Like, it seems like they're craft out. I wonder why, though. It's mainly stickers. I'm not sure if they're targeting like paper artists or what's going on with that, like scrapbooking. I'm not sure, but so many design ideas. I thought about some hot air balloon earrings, some bumblebees. Now here's some fabric. So remember, we did the fabric project with the llamas, but I didn't get sucked in. I was like, I'm not buying any fabric. That's what I was looking for, is these faux jewels that I think would make beautiful earrings. The koalas were so stinking cute. Look at those. Those are stamps. I've never used stamps before, but I was trying to think of what could I do with those. I love all the 2D stickers that they had, but look at these. This is what I was telling you all about the last time, that you could use to make earrings out of. I'm sorry, I had my sunroof open while waiting on my husband. So all these super cute things that you could just do so much with. Oh my goodness. Like, look at that glitter paper right there. Look at that transfer. Like, they had a lot of iron-on transfers. They had patches. You guys, I don't know the last time you went to the Dollar Tree, but their craft out is outrageous. Well, the $1.25 tree, which I don't care. I'm paying the extra quarter. Who cares, right? So listen, I thought about making one of those popular necklaces that has the pearls and the super cute smiley face charms, but I couldn't remember. I feel like I already have those pearls, so I didn't buy them because I was like, I'm not going to get caught up. But look at this. Is a needle kit, so they had all kinds of needles that you could buy if you're into sewing. This is a super cute little project for the summer. And look at this. It's like a craft caddy. Oh my gosh. I'm like, come all the way through $1.25 tree. Y'all are on it. I was just thinking these would be really great summer crafts to do with your kids. Look at all this vinyl. Now, this was a paper pack, but I didn't buy it because I have a lot of paper already, and I'm only in here looking for those full flower stickers, which is what I bought. But look at all the vinyl, and even I don't have a Cricut or anything like that and don't plan on buying one. Anybody that does that, I'd love your opinion about how you like the Dollar Tree's vinyl. But this is what I'm looking for, the full stickers. So these were really pretty, the sunflowers and the daisies, but I was looking for the roses. Well, they weren't roses. I think they're peonies. So I had to go through all this stuff to find what I was looking for, but they are completely gorgeous. So hope you loved it, and I'll see you on the video.